tell me a little bit of what it was like kind of going through that. I mean, obviously you did really well in school, but was there a lot of pressure from like your parents to do it? Was there family in it, or was it all new to you and you were just learning as you went and kind of just from just being in that atmosphere, you kind of absorbed a lot?
Sure. So when I showed up to school, all I really knew about finance or banking, I wasn't really even dead set on finance. All I really knew was like sales and trading. I'd in high school we did like a tour of like Goldman Sachs. Someone in my class like knew a partner,
Hmm.
so I did like a day there. So that's all I really knew. But then when it came time for like getting closer to graduation, I needed to find a job. My parents were like you should probably pursue investment banking. It's like a good career. So then I learned about the M&A advisory business. I started reading a lot of books. I found your website a decent bit. There was some good stuff on it, so I definitely appreciate that. Good resources here. And I would speak to my friends and all that, and I would do the recruiting. I threw my resume everywhere. I started running around doing interviews.